Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, polynomials and factorization. In that exercise 2.3, question number 3, the question is given: find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. What is the question? Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Next, does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. So this is the question. I'm taking the solution. What is the given data? A given polynomial p of x is equals to, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5, and given another polynomial that is g of x is equals to 2x minus 3. So p of x is the dividend and g of x is the divisor. Now what I am taking, 0 of a divisor. 0 of a divisor. What is the 0 of a divisor? That is nothing but 2x minus 3, that is equals to 0. If 2x minus 3 is 0 ki equal chesada. Then if you are transposing means 2x is equals to, we get plus 3. Then x is equals to, we can write it as 3 by 2. So 2 also transposing means into quantity becomes a division quantity. Okay? Like this. So x is the 0 of a divisor. X is equals to 3 by 2. It is a 0 of a divisor. Now I am going to substitute in the place of p of x. Then see what is happening. Okay? Now, what is the given polynomial? That is p of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. In the place of x, I am going to replace the 0 of a divisor. That is what? X is equals to 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equals to 2 of x square means that is 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 of x means that is 3 by 2 plus 5. Okay? Now see, p of 3 by 2 that is equals to 2 of 3 by 2 whole square means individual, the 3 square means that is 9 by 2 whole square means that is 4. 3 by 2 whole square that is 9 by 4 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2 plus 5. Okay? Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. Cancel this one. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we get that is 1 into 9, 9 by 2. Here already minus 9 by 2 is there, plus 5. Clearly minus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 cancel. We get a p of 3 by 2 that is equals to what? No, 5. Yes? If we replace the, in the place of x, if we substitute 3 by 2, so that is the 0 of a divisor. We get the value of a polynomial is becomes what? No, 5. So then we can say that therefore 2x minus 3 is not exactly divides p of x. Yes or no? That is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So we can say that 2x minus 3 is not a 0 of the particular given polynomial because of the value of a polynomial becomes what, Nana? We get that is 5. Okay, now that's 5. If any number it is a 0 of a polynomial means if you substitute in the place of x, the value of a polynomial is becomes 0 రావాలి. అలా వస్తేనే అది 0 అవుతుంది. Okay, now see one more question, that is if that is question number 5. The question is given if the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square, I'm writing the given data, given the polynomials p of x is equals to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5, and another polynomial f of x that is equals to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a, leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. What is the divisor? Divisor, that is g of x is equals to x minus 2. Is it clear, students? Then find the value of a. Okay, the question is given the polynomials p of x is equals to 2x cube plus a. This is a, Nana. This is a. Okay, 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5, and another polynomial f of x, that is x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. These two polynomials are when divided by x minus 2. Okay, na? These two polynomials leaves the same remainder. Okay, then what is the value of a? Ikkada a undi, ikkada a undi. So what is the value of a? So this is the question. Now by problem we can write p of 2 is equals to f of 2, because of what is the zero of a divisor? Zero of a divisor ఏంటి? ఈ x minus 2 ని 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయండి. Then 2 is transposing to RHS side, we get x is equals to 2. Yes, అంటే in the place of x in polynomial 1, polynomial 2, ఈ two polynomials in the place of x, if we are going to replace 2, their remainder should be same. Okay, na? Now see here the first polynomial, that is 2 of x cube, means in the place of x we are going to replace 2, that is 2 power 3 plus a of, in the place of x I am going to write 2, that is 2 power 2 plus 3 of 2, 3x means in the place of x 2 minus 5 is equals to, here f of 2 means in the place of x 2 substitute change, that is 2 cube plus x square means 2 square minus 4x means that is minus 4 of 2 plus a. Okay, now see 2 of 2 cube means what? 2 cube ante that is 8, 2 raised to the power 3 అంటే 2 ని 3 times multiply చేయండి, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus a of 2 whole square means that is 4 plus 3 into 2, 3 of 2 that is 6 minus 5 is equals to, here also 2 cube means that is 8 plus 2 whole square means that is 4 minus 4 of 2 that is 4 into 2 that is 8 plus a. Okay, now see the next step. 2 into 8. 2 8s are what, Nana? That is 16 plus a into 4. A of 4. That is a into 4. That is 4a plus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 means that is 1 is equals to this side 8 plus 4 that is 12. 8 plus 4 that is 12 minus 8 plus 8. Now 16 plus 1 that is 17 plus 4a is equals to 12 minus 8 that is 4 plus 8. Now what I am doing, transposing 4 from RHS to LHS and transposing 4a from LHS to RHS. ఇక్కడ 4ని RHS నుంచి LHS ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తున్నా and plus 4a I'm transposing to RHS. Here 17 is there, plus 4 transposing to LHS side it becomes minus 4 and here a is there, plus 4a transposing to RHS side it becomes minus 4. 17 minus 4 means that is 13 is equals to a minus 4. Ante a ante we can understand it as 1a. 1a minus 4a that is minus 3a. Okay, minus 3a ante that is minus the product of minus 3 and a. Again I am transposing 3 to LHS side, we get that is minus 13 by 3 that is equals to a. So the value of a is equals to what, Nana? That is minus 13 by 3. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay, thank you. Okay students, now see one more question, that is second one. The question is given, find the remainder when x cube minus p x square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. Okay, I am writing the given data. Given polynomial p of x is equals to, you can take p of x is equals to that is x cube. Okay, here divisor is given x minus p na, that's why మనం వేరే తీసేసుకున్నాం, that is f of x. Okay, f of x is equals to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p, and what is the given divisor? G of x, another polynomial. What is the divisor? Divided by అన్నాడు కదా, the divisor is what? G of x, that is equals to x minus p. I just want to the zero of this divisor, means g of x is equals to 0, that is x minus p is equals to 0. P is transposing to RHS side, we get x is equals to p. So the zero of a divisor is p. Okay, now this one I am going to replace in the place of x, and the x is equals to what, and here p. Now f of x means in the place of x we are replacing p, that is equals to x cube means that is p cube minus p of x square means that is p whole square plus 6 of x means that is p minus p. Now p cube means that is p power 2 minus p into p square, that is p power 3. Okay, plus 6 into p, that is 6p. Okay, minus p. So clearly p power 3 p cube cancel, plus p cube minus p cube cancel, we get 6p minus p, and you can understand it as 1p. 6p minus 1p, that is 5p. So this is the required remainder. Okay, now so this is the required remainder for this question. Okay students, so you to practice the remaining problems in the same manner. Thank you.